We talk about real estate here all the time, but where do you actually find the properties? Well, I'll tell you exactly where you find the investment properties where the numbers make sense. Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold, host of the Get Rich Education podcast and member of the Forbes Real Estate Council. I actively maintain my list of properties where I do my own buying at GRETurnkey.com. This is where properties often generate a passive income stream for you, where your property's rent income exceed all the monthly expenses, providing you with the remainder, what we call passive cash flow. And that's with your 20% down payment and 80% loan. These are investor advantage neighborhoods, typically in the United States, Midwest and South. Most of the properties that I own aren't even in my home state. The numbers work better elsewhere. They're the places where you have a high ratio of rent income to purchase price, which is your main formula for profitability, and also the states where the laws tend to benefit you, the property owner, more so than the tenant. This is the same list where I buy my income property. Turnkey means your property is already renovated, already with a tenant in it, and already under management, all within that same company that you buy from. That's Turnkey. We are an education-first platform, so when you're nearly ready to buy, go to the site, download a report from one of our preferred providers there, and that way you can learn more about that particular geographic market, and you can have all of the turnkey real estate provider details so that you can look at available properties and build your real estate empire. That starts at the same place where I buy my properties, GRETurnkey.com.